downloading videos, converting them into different formats, and then dragging them and uploading them into Descript. All that's over. Descript now lets you grab YouTube videos directly and repurpose them in your projects. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how crazy simple it is and how you can repurpose old YouTube videos in your new projects. The first thing you need to do is find the YouTube video that you want to edit. So there's this very excellent YouTube video about how to create an AI avatar using Descript's feature. And what you want to do is navigate to that page, click on the share button right here, and copy this link. Hit this button that says copy, and then we're going to switch over to Descript. Click on this button that says edit a video. Click on that. That's going to create a new project. And then in here, right under this big upload button, there's a form box that says paste a video link from YouTube. Right click, hit paste, and then click this little arrow right here. And down here it says importing YouTube video. This may take a few minutes. And there it is. That only took about 30 seconds. And from here, you can edit this video just like any other Descript project. And if you don't know how to edit a Descript project, click on this video next, where I go through a complete video editing workflow from start to finish.